Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch SE 2nd generation, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be connected to the internet, and also you need to be logged into an Apple ID account to use the Apple App Store on your watch. Once you have the internet connection and you're logged in, we can continue. And first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the App Store icon, looks like this. And once you find it, tap on it to enter the App Store. And in the App Store, you should see this page. And you can scroll through it by swiping up and down or using the digital crown. And basically here you have different recommendations for the apps and different categories. You can select one of the apps from here, or you can tap on search and look for the specific app. For example, I want to install something maybe like a calculator. So to do it, we need to type in calculator. So let's type in calculator and then tap on search. And now let's scroll down through the list of apps, and we have different types of calculators, as you can see. Find the one you want to install, for example, this one, and we can tap on the get button right here, or we can tap on the app itself to open the page for it. And here we have the ratings, screenshots from the calculator, from the app, and also what changed in the update, and some information like if it tracks data and stuff like that. Okay, so to install the app, you need to tap on the get button like this and wait until the installation is complete. And once the application is done installing, you will see the open button. You can tap on it to open the application like this, or you can also open it from the app menu. So if you close the App Store, press the crown button to open the app menu, you can scroll through the menu and you should see the calculator icon somewhere here, and it's right here. And you can tap on it to open it, and we can use the calculator. Like this. Okay. And that's how you install the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.